stiff. See, I saw this one. It's almost.
Oh, really?
So
Is it?
Well, you say you don't love me. You never love me.
But did I lift you? No.
Could you keep track of me?
No, because
You want me to apologize for something that you did.
Cosa linda, ay amor, amor.
Naligo na tayo. So, yung buhok natin is buhaghagirets. So, good morning po guys. Good morning everything. And wala pang nanalo. No one win yet. They're still counting the meal ballot. So, you know na the deal. You know na the deal. Alam na this. Alam na this na talaga. Do you wanna see how I eat if I get hungry? It's scary. Scary guys. Good afternoon na pala guys. Oy. Charge lang tayo ng ano. Good afternoon na pala. I was dreaming that my camera is broken. Huh?
Which one is your camera broke?
No, I was dreaming last night. I'm going to eat some lunch. Okra and shrimp from last night. At saka yung leftover na a little bit humba. Okay, come here and pick something. Pick up. Oh my god, my husband is really a pain in the neck. You know, I want him to eat. And then while I'm done eating, he start picking food. Yeah, that's who you are. You don't wanna eat with me. Say good morning, everything. Good afternoon, everything.
Good morning, everything. I don't do afternoons.
Good afternoon na pala, guys. Anyway, I'm shaking. I will see you guys later. We are planning to go out, to go to Walmart. Because, guys, I don't have Hawaiian. I can't live without bread.
Submit their unofficial results, unofficial being the keyword, to their county, and the county then posts the unofficial results by reporting unit on their website. There is no certified election night aggregate of results.
Hello guys! So, yung buhok natin guys, hindi ko na siya i-iron kasi if I iron my hair, it will ruin more. You know, it's dead. Hindi sana kami aalis ngayon. Pero wala akong ano. Sorry guys. I'm going to close this. What's your head? Habs, what's your head? What's your head? Hoy! Tignan dito guys. Hoy, what's your head? May ibon kasi dun guys. May ibon. May ibon sa porch. Lumilipad-lipad. So, kaya itong dalawa, ano. So, hindi ko na i-iron yung buhok ko kasi, ayaw ko. Sisirang-sira na ito. Pabayaan na lang natin yung ganun. Yan. Bili lang kami ng, ano bang dapat bilhin? Baka salad. Dami salad. Busog na busog ako, guys. Han, you still have salad here, Han? 2 bags.
4 bags.
4? Holy cow. We have vegetables.
Okay.
That's all. We're just gonna get the cat food, right? And bread. Let's go.
Did she eat when you gave her food?
No. Take it up.
What? Too late. I gotta look and see if they got a little one of these.
Why? What do you need
This
more?
one's too hard. It's just like, see this on the outside? I didn't realize that in the store. So it must have had an air leak and came out.
Yeah.
It doesn't spread properly.
No, you did that. I guess I drive.
Yeah.
I really want you to drive, but. Oh, look at this. You're trying to tell me we have to stop to Home Depot.
I figure we go to Walmart first, and if they have them there for the same price, then why go to Home Depot? If not, then we just stop at Home Depot on the way.
Alam nyo guys, you know what guys? I'm tired of renewing everything. You know, renew driver's license, renew passport, renew green card, and then you have to do your car inspection.
Shit, I got it. So,
Huh?
I gotta get that. I already know about that.
Walmart tayo guys. Walmart muna. Hanap siya ng turkey. Is that the right turkey?
At least turkey they like to.
Yeah, there's another one that you said you like. The Middle East. Middle East something? Oh, that's expensive, hon.
It don't matter, they don't have them anyway.
It's 84. That's why I never get that. You know, kasi ito yung usually price, guys. And then ito yung 84 mahal. That's the only you got?
No, I'll see another one.
No, they don't like that. This one you get. Some salmon. Why you have to do that?
I like it.
Just few salmon, han. Itong mga alaga namin talaga, no? Sobrang mahal yung ano. We still have to get dog food. Okay? Sundan lang natin siya. Okay? Sundan. Okay, I'm going over there. Okay?
Over where?
The curtain area. Just the curtains. Just to find two things. Hanap tayo ng bread, guys. Itong camera ko baka blurry talaga, guys. Bread tayo. And dito yung bread. Dito tayo. Two only, han. Do they have the big one? Two of this. I'll get the one in the back. What's the date? What's the date?
17? Okay.
Just two. Are you going to get something for the dog? They have some. They still have turkey. Are you happy with your shopping? That's 150. Just that.
For what?
The dog.
What is for what?
The dog. Your kids.
How much?
Mahal. Pagkain ng aso at pusa.
Well, I got $6 worth of balloons.
Huh?
I got $6 worth of balloons.
Yeah, and I have a bread. You have the bread. Hi guys. So we're done here. We are done. So needle and thread. We're going home. No, we're not going to Home Depot.
Yes, we are.
You got the thing.
Those, yeah, but those are not the right mask. But I figured.
So you spend for how much is that each?
They were $5 for $1. 5 for 97 cents. So I got 20 of them for less than $4.
Okay, are you willing to walk?
No, why don't you drive me right to the door?
What the heck?
You just
Oh, there is parking here.
parking everywhere, but you just have a lot of park close.
Okay, I will put
Right
you.
there.
I will put you to the door because you are.
Oh, you have to be to the door. Just get close, because this way I can find you. Otherwise, you park on the other side of the
Yeah, I
country.
will park here or over here. Okay.
You have space.
Hurry
right
up, yes
right
or no?
there. Right. I don't know why my key didn't work for that. In my this car.
You can't wait. I've been doing piercing like crazy, and then you just like no patient.
I've been trying to get it and get it.
And then I know I'm opening, and then you are like crazy. You can't wait. Patient.
I was out there a long time waiting.
Seriously.
Long time.
God. And then
Like
I see.
a month.
I see you. You get like 5 of. You carry
They
5.
didn't have the 100 packs, so
what?
I got 50 packs.
How much is 50?
$19.99.
So we're stuck here because he doesn't want to turn.
Blow your horn at him. That'll get him moving.
No, I don't want to do that.
Why not? Want me to do it?
Daan, can you stop? He's waiting.
Waiting for what? Get out of the fucking road already. Yeah, that's smart. We'll pull up on him.
This guy. He's planning to go straight over there.
I don't care what he's planning to do. He should do it already.
No,
He had plenty of time to cut over before. You can't drive. We're supposed to sit here all day waiting for him. Should have forgot about a BMW and just bought a driver.
Burger King.
Burger King.
This time, guys. Okay, you go alone, huh? This time, guys, he want Burger King. And this my husband is crazy. Okay, now what are you doing?
I'm gonna order it right here. It's $2.45 if I order it here.
He want Burger King. I don't know what's wrong with him. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. He's forcing me to eat. My diet is broken. Police! Police! There's a police! Police! The thing about if you have a husband, American, especially Italian, they don't want you thin. They want you fat. What is this now?
Take a bite.
What's that? A spicy nugget?
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you,
Oh,
Anne.
you don't have the rest of it. There's no nuggets.
And no, you eat what I eat. You eat my leftover. Wants his wife fat. You know why he wants fat? Because he doesn't like bony legs. No, you don't like bony legs, son. All the legs is hurting. You're gonna say, ow, ow. It's like a dog. Ow, 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 ow.
Apparently I like bonehead.
Hun,
What? Oh.
not nice, huh? That's really spicy. How can I diet myself? How can you diet yourself?
Your daughter's gonna want something.
No, no, you cannot give her anything. Remember? Tommy? Tommy. Love.
Hey,
Love.
you can't have none.
Honey. Honey. Your daughter cannot have anything, okay? Dito na kami, guys. Kunin lang namin itong mga nabili na Tommy. Give me.
The dog bowl.
Which one? Did you lift the mask? Huwag kayong mag-asawa. Don't marry, guys. If you get married, you have a pain in the neck, husband. Just like mine. He just want Burger King. Because he said, I want Taco Bell. Oh, if you don't want to go Taco Bell, I want Burger King. And guys, I got a curtains for dining because it need two white share one. So I got two because we have two already here. Okay, we got Burger King. We got bread. We got two breads.
Jalapeno bologna.
Bologna.
Bologna with jalapeno in it.
And dog bone. That you cannot have dog bone because Roxy doesn't eat the din-din. She doesn't eat din-din, so she cannot have this. She cannot have this. You don't eat the din-din. No, eat your din-din. You eat this one, this, that. You eat your din-din first. Gustong hindi kumain ng breakfast. Ito na yung nila, style nila. Hindi nakakain ng mga breakfast. And then, no, don't even come here. Tingnan mo to. Why is it become pink?
We put it on.
Hmm?
Only pink when you put it on. And when it dries, it turns.
It's a pinky. It's cold. It's cold outside. Where's the other one? You don't use it? The other one like this. The color, this color.
This will turn that color. But the other one is stiff. See how soft this one is? The other one's...
Oh really?
So it
Is
didn't-
it?
didn't hold
Maybe
right.
because
Maybe
because of the wind.
No. Because it was... I saw see the mark on the outside.
What a pain in the neck is this election, guys. It's away ito, guys, away. Korte pa more. Padala sa korte itong mga mga balutang mga hinarvest. Ito talagang si Dimples, palagi na lang itong minumove. Minumove nyo ito, ha? Pahinga lang kami ni Tami. Cosplaying games. Cosplaying games. Uy. We're not starving. We're full. It's okay. We're not going to eat dinner. But Tommy need to eat salad. And let's see what I feel like. Kumakain kasi siya ng burger. And fries. And spicy nuggets.
3 hours later.
Balik po tayo guys. Nagutom ako. Nami, eat with me. Sabi pa niya, oh, now you want to eat, ha? It's already 8:30.
Pain in the butthole. Pain in the butt.
8:30 guys. We're gonna eat. I feel like eating na. I hungry a little bit. A little bit hungriness. Hindi, sasabi pa namin, i-end ko na tong vlog sana. Pero sabi ko, eh, maga pa. Gusto ko pang mag-vlog. I told him, Han, I don't feel like eating, Han. We ate too much lunch, Han. And he ate late. So he said, what if you
How
get
many
hungry
chicken-
later?
how many chickens you want?
Just one, honey. I said, and he said, what if you're gonna get hungry later? I said, I'm just going to sleep.
You starve in the middle of the night.
Yeah, I remember. Oh, guys, I remember in the other house in New Rochelle when we have fight. Okay, this is the thing. When we have fight, because mom is is there and she is like it's her house. When me and Tommy is arguing and fighting, I go to the bedroom and I stay there.
Pack a bag.
And the thing is, I kind of like quiet and stuff. And he go upstairs and he go to the bedroom and I said, it's dinner time. It's dinner. And he sit with me closer and closer and I said, it's dinner time. It happens a lot. And it's like, and I said, no, I don't feel like eating. So Tommy go downstairs, eat with mom, and mom asked, well, where's MaryAnn? She doesn't. She's not hungry. He's not.
And then at midnight, she said, come downstairs and eat with me.
Yeah, every time. And then in the middle of the night when mom is going up to bed and the house is quiet, I said, "Hun." And then, but before that, before I said,
no strength.
but before 12 o'clock, guys, this is what happened to me and Tommy when he go to bed. You don't love me. And he
You
hugs
never
me.
love me.
He hugs me. He kisses me.
Go ahead, tell him. What do you say? You don't love me. You never love me. That's my favorite line.
It's always happening like that. Sometimes when something, I think mom is not an idiot, she knows me and Tom is fighting, but I don't have a choice. I don't want to eat in front of that, and then I will be like face like this, mad, and then so I don't want to stay downstairs with
I have a
mom.
mad face anyway.
Annie. I don't have mad face.
You don't love me. You never love me. I'm done. I'm done.
The thing is, if our fight,
Today.
no, if our fight is not solved, so what I do usually when we are like he's hugging me and I said I'm not feeling into like resolving the fight, so I go to the third floor. I go high to the third floor, and you know what? And then
And she gets scared and goes back.
no. Did you remember, honey? No, did you remember that I hear you snoring? Okay, I go upstairs and I'm still mad. Okay,
And she comes back and hits me. What are you talking about sleeping? You can't be sleeping. You're supposed to sit there and make me come back.
And then I heard him
I'm tired. I'm
snoring.
gonna be at work in a couple hours. Yeah, I can't be sleeping.
He go to bed and he's snoring. I heard it from upstairs. The first thing I do
Really
is
pisses her off.
I pissed off when he go to sleep. And then not resolving our problem. He doesn't come to me, follow me. So what I do, guys, text him, hey, I'm leaving you. Or calling him, and he answered, hello, I have to go to sleep. I have to work.
Until the one time when I came and helped her pack her bag, and then she really got pissed.
One time, guys, he helped me. Yeah. I said, okay, fine.
She said, I heard that enough here. I'll help you pack your bag.
Yeah, but when I get so mad. But did I lift you? No.
Could you keep track of
No, because
You want me to
no.
apologize for something that you did.
No.
You do it and I gotta apologize.
When I start crying, he start hugging me.
Yeah.
Yes, you start like, come here, I don't want to see. And I like it when he hugs me. Come here.
She does bad things and then I gotta apologize.
Come here now.
She was like, apologize me. For what? You need to apologize me. But I didn't do anything. You did. Apologize me.
And the thing is, he kissed me, and that's once he said he come to me and hug me like this.
Then I have to go to work next day with no sleep because you keep me up all night long.
We love each other.
And then she sleep all day long while I'm at work. I knew these things.
No, I don't sleep. I never go sleep. I never take a nap.
After I went to work.
No, I didn't. No. But that's our life. But we survive. We survive. We will survive. Yay, yay. Where is your thing? Do you love me?
Yes, honey. Are you paying that?
We survive. And you know what, guys? He told me, why you're wearing my shirt?
She had the same one I gave her in gray. And then she take my black one.
I said, I thought, is this yours? I don't realize.
She knew.
I like it, guys. When it's big, guys, like this, it makes me comfortable and I'm happy and I'm not
She got the
worried.
exact same one in gray.
Well, I don't know where's the gray, hon.
Because you got paint on it, that's why.
Huh?
you
Ah,
got
that's
paint.
the one I get paint?
Yeah, you got paint on it. Then you took my black one. I got it before they're all brown. Because I took up 4 bags just out of it.
Oh, yeah. Jesus Christ.
before they
That's
turn
probably go bad, too. You know, I'm worried, guys, if I gain weight and get ugly, really ugly, he will leave me.
Right, because that's the thing I do.
You know, our life, guys, when we get together in the first like few years, it's not, I mean, it's we are happy, but there's a lot of fighting because of Tommy. he looks at girls and I'm crazy, and luckily I changed. Luckily I'm not like crazy. Luckily it's just different.
You think I'm supposed to close my eyes if there's a girl on the street, even if I'm
Because
driving? Even if I'm driving, I'm supposed
Guys.
to close my eyes.
That he passed the woman, okay, while he's driving. The first thing he do next, I look at him, he look at the mirror like this, like that. So, and then when he see a woman, he do smile like this, oh, cute smile. That's the first thing when we meet
Smile. What do you
together.
think, kid?
He give me a lot of cute
I don't
smile.
smile to nobody. What are you talking about?
Yes, you do.
I do not.
You give them a cute smile,
I don't
and that's what you
smile
did
to
to me
nobody.
before. And that's how
Not to
become
you,
like.
not to nobody.
That's how
I
I
do not
become like.
smile.
That's how I become like. Oh, I love this guy. Have a cute smile, like a
Yeah,
flirty
yeah.
smile. That's what I said. Oh, he used that to me. He cannot use that to anybody.
Okay, somebody's haunting me, so let me see why.
What happened?
Not haunting me because she is. She just haunted me because she's.
Yeah, don't give her anything.
Nope.
Han, come here.
only the beginning of South Dakota's beauty.
Han, guys, 13 years later, we ate salad. Look, he's embarrassed, guys. He doesn't like to be filmed when he's eating. That's why sometimes I have to secretly film him.